Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video, we would like to provide a coding exercise with respect to the do while loop in Java. So I would like to run the program first so you would see how the program works, and then we are going to discuss how the program is coded in fact. So when I run the code, it asks me to enter a positive number. But instead of a positive number, I write down -2. It says enter a positive number. I would write down -10. Again, it repeats. So I'm going to write down -20, -14, etc. So it is going to continue asking me to enter a positive number as long as I am writing a negative number. So as long as I'm keeping writing a negative number, it is going to ask me enter a positive number, enter a positive number. But once I write down a positive number like this one, 10 here, it is going to say you entered 10. So the thing is that how is it possible? The way that we need to implement this one is using a do while loop. Why? Because without checking any conditions, first we are going to show this message to the user. Enter a positive number. And whatever the user is going to be entered, it is going to be stored in a variable called number, which is initialized here, and it is of an integer data type. Okay. And we are going to put a condition here as long as that number that is entered by users is less than or equal to 0, go back up again and show this message, enter a positive number to the user. So go back up again and enter a positive number. So I entered like -2. It is stored in a variable called number. And here we are checking this -2 is less than 0. Yes, absolutely correct. Then it goes back up again. It says enter a positive number. So it is going to repeat infinitely as long as I enter a positive number. And once I entered a positive number, like number 10 here, it is stored in a variable called number, and it says 10, is it less than 0? No, this condition is not true. Therefore, the do while is terminated. And finally, we are going to print this message. You entered and then number here. So you entered 10. This is how we can have the do while loop being executed once before checking the conditions. And it's a practical example that we had here. Thanks for watching.